Guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on videos from people you might know on your accounts on TikTok on notification settings. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and here click notifications, and here you will find videos from people you might know. Just click like this and it will be turned on. And that's how to turn on videos from people you might know, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.